मेरे ख्याल नाम सिर्फ थोड़े से गलत रखे हैं इसने। वैसे तो अल्लाह ताला भी कहता है कि अगर तुम्हें पता हो कि क्या हासिल होना है तो तुम हंसो कम और रो ज़्यादा, हैं? और रो क्यों ज़्यादा? इसलिए कि चीज़ें याद आती चली जाएंगी, एक अफसरदगी की हालत होगी ना, कि ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है। खौफ अल्लाह ताला कराएगा ज़्यादा, हैं? उस खौफ की हालत में इंसान फिर ज़्यादा रोता है।
यही बात है ना कि वो ज़्यादा सोचता है।
हाँ।
ज़्यादा सोच, उसने उस बात को पॉजिटिव ले लिया कि आप नेगेटिव हो तो आपके लिए अच्छा होता है।
और जो कुरान शरीफ कह के गम की हालत में पढ़ो तो, हैं? थोड़ा सा अफसरदगी की हालत में पढ़ो, उससे ये है कि एहसास ज़्यादा होता है कि क्या क्या इसमें अल्लाह ताला ने बातें ऐसी कही हुई हैं जो डराने वाली हैं, खौफज़दा करने वाली हैं? अगली जहान की ज़िंदगी के बारे में क्या है, किन किन चीज़ों से रोका हुआ है, तो उसमें फिर गौर ज़्यादा होता है। लेकिन ये नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव से इधर मुझे इख्तिलाफ है, इसका नाम कुछ और होना चाहिए।
आखिर में उसकी बात ये है, जहाँ तक मुझे समझ आई है, कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा हमेशा खुश ना रहो, थोड़ा सा काम हो जाओ, तो आपके लिए आप ज़्यादा सोचो और आपको ज़्यादा आसान रहे।
अच्छा, कंक्लूजन किया हुआ उसने आखिर में?
हाँ जी,
तो देखेंगे,
जी
मुझे तो नज़र नहीं आ रहा है ना के बगैर। अच्छा, आगे क्या है? अच्छा, नज़्म की तशरीह करनी है गुज़ाला साहिबा ने इंग्लिश में, और उर्दू में तूबा और मारिया ने। अच्छा, यहाँ भी वही नाम है जो बड़ी क्लास की लड़कियों में है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम हुज़ूर। प्यारे हुज़ूर, हमारी क्लास जो कि 21 नवंबर 2009 को हुई थी, उसमें आपने मुझे इस नज़म की समरी इंग्लिश में पेश करने को कहा था। This poem was written by our second Khalifa, Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad Rizal Anhu. It was published in the Al Fazl newspaper on the 19th of September 1920. In this poem, our second Khalifa Rizal Anhu advises the Jamaat about how affectionately we should love our Allah Ta'ala by saying, "O Allah, we are ready to face any difficulties in your love, and we will surely like to be one of those who always adore you. We promise ourselves that we will never refuse to believe in the one God." He carries on by saying, "O Allah, if loving you would be understood as a crime, then we wouldn't care at all, even if we are being tortured really badly and being torn into pieces. We would rather take it as being fortunate, and we will never have any bad thoughts building up in our hearts, which would make us weak. We will not listen to the disbelievers, and we will not be deceived by them. We will only prostrate and bow down to you, our Allah." In the fourth verse, Hazrat Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad Rizal Anhu says, "Even if someone would strike us, we would endure it happily. We would think that this might be our punishment, and we will not have a sign of complaint on our tongues. Right now, the disbelievers are laughing at our poor condition, but one day we will have the whole world bowing down to you with us. The whole world is our enemy. Our kins and our strangers are both against us. O Allah, if you are not with us, then we will feel lifeless and dead. We have tried to teach everyone about your love since ages. If you will not love us today, then how will we face them? People who keep wondering and thinking about how the world came into being and seek to find you have no clue about your love and dignity, though we are a special kind of seekers, and we will take the reward that you will bestow us with, inshallah." In the 9th verse he says, "What do you think the love for Allah is? It is the love that you achieve to get after a lot of troubles, and it is not very easy to get. One day we will tell the tale of the beautiful rewards and the love we got from you after these troubles." By this he means the favors that Allah Ta'ala has bestowed upon us. Further on he says, "The fragrance of the perfumes in the world doesn't stay for long, but we will fill our hearts with the fragrance of God's love. We are interested in being Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam's students, though other Muslims in the world are seen as weak, but we are the people who will spread the word of Islam. Enemies get happy when they stop the teachings of any religion to spread. However, we will do such good deeds that no one will be able to stop us. Allah Ta'ala has made us worthy of spreading the teachings of our beloved Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and we will keep trying to join everyone to Allah Ta'ala. Looking at our humbleness, the enemies should not underestimate us, though if they do look at us in this way, then what should we do with them? We will remove disbelievers, people who are spiritually lost and evil acts from the world, and revive the teachings of our religion. One day we will hoist the flag of Islam, inshallah. In the last few verses, our beloved Khalifa tells us that we will construct mosques in the cities which are filled with disbelievers, and from their minarets we will call people to the truth. By Allah's grace, there are Ahmadi mosques all over the world, and we are constantly trying to spread the message of Islam. O Allah, please make us remember you more often, so that we can thank you for all the rewards you have given us. Ameen.
पिछले दिनों तुम्हारा एक पुराना प्रोग्राम आ रहा था जब तुम कागज़ के रिंग बना के उसमें से गुजर गई थी. अब ज़्यादा आसानी से गुजर सकती हो, हैं? उस वक्त मुश्किल था.